Section 1.6, Classify polygons. A quick side note before we talk about polygons is that the definition of a plane figure. A plane figure is a figure that lies in a plane. So if we have plane M, you can imagine plane M as a sheet of paper. But remember that a plane does go on for infinitely long, so forever in every direction. Well, anything you can draw on your paper, so anything that we can put into plane M, such as this quadrilateral or this circle, is a plane figure. So essentially a plane figure is a one- or two-dimensional figure. A plane figure cannot be three-dimensional. And I want you to think why not. We'll talk about that a little bit in class. Okay, this leads us to our definition of a polygon. A polygon is a closed plane figure, and it has two characteristics. The first, it is formed by three or more line segments called sides. And the second, each side intersects exactly two sides, one at each endpoint, so that no two sides with a common endpoint are collinear. So we could imagine having a bunch of line segments, and these would be the sides, and then connecting them at their endpoints. So let's go ahead and connect them. So we draw endpoint to endpoint, endpoint to endpoint, endpoint to endpoint. We'll name our endpoints, which are called vertices. That's the plural of vertex. Okay, we named this polygon A, B, C, D, E. We name polygons by all of their vertices, and we start with one vertex and then go around the polygon to name it. And we do not need to go back to A. So go ahead, try this one. Name this polygon. Name it okay. Name that polygon on your own, pause the video, and come back when you're ready to check your name. This polygon can be named, and this is just one of many names, that can be named J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It can also be named polygon PONMLKJ. Each one of those started with one vertex and went around. Okay, the next video, oh, nope, we do have one more example. So in this first example, look at the shapes you are given and then determine which ones are polygons and which ones are not. Pause the video, come back when you're ready to check your solution. Alright, so for these polygons we want to make sure that they are closed plane figures. Right away, that eliminates this middle figure. It's not closed. We then want to make sure that the sides are straight lines. That eliminates the circle and the heart. We want to make sure the sides are connected at their endpoints, which is true of everything left. So the shapes that are left are polygons. Hopefully you got that right. If not, review your definitions above and try this example again. If you're ready to go on to convex and concave polygons, go on to the next video.